Hello everyone. I am Professor Shanli Sahai from EC Department, SIRT Bhopal. Today in this lecture, I am going to discuss about the attenuators. An attenuator, it is an electronic device that reduces the power of the signal without appreciably distorting its waveform. An attenuator is effectively the opposite of an amplifier, though the two work by different methods. While an amplifier provides gain and an attenuator provides loss or gain less than 1. Attenuators are usually passive devices made from simple voltage divider networks used to control the amount of microwave power transferred from one point to another point. It reflects and absorbs the energy in some of the dissipative elements. Attenuation is a function of frequency. There are various types of attenuators, out of which one is fixed type of attenuator. These are used in circuits to lower voltages, dissipate power, and improve impedance matching. These type of attenuators are commonly used where a fixed amount of power is to be provided. If such type of attenuator absorbs all the energy entering into it, we call it a waveguide terminator. This normally consists of a short section of waveguides with a tapered plug of absorbing material at the end. The tapering is done for providing a gradual transition from the waveguide medium to the absorbing medium, thus reducing the reflection occurring at the media interface. Dielectric used is glass, and these are also used to match impedance by lowering apparent SWR. The performance characteristics of a fixed attenuators are input and output impedances, flatness with frequency, average and peak power handling capability, and temperature dependence. Another form of attenuator is variable attenuators. These provide continuous or stepwise variable attenuation. For rectangular waveguides, these attenuators can be flap type or vane type. For circular waveguide, rotatory type is used. Now we will discuss about the phase shifters. A phase shifter is a two-port device whose basic function is to provide a change in the phase of the radio frequency signal. The classification of analog phase shifter mainly are of two kinds made up of ferrite and semiconductors. Ferrite phase shifters, as the permeability increases, the effectiveness of the ferrite rod increases, since guided wavelength is equal to wavelength in space divided by effectiveness, that is permeability. Hence, guide wavelength decreases, which will result in a change or RF insertion phase. This is the broad classifications of the semiconductor phase shifter. These are divided into planar or hybrid, monolithic. Then these are divided into reciprocal, non-reciprocal. Here it is also reciprocal, non-reciprocal. This is PIN, gate FET, GAS, gallium arsenide FET, passive and active switch. PIN and the passive phase shifters are used as switched line, hybrid couple, loaded line in high pass, low pass switched networks. So this is the general classification of the semiconductor phase shift. This is the digital phase shift whose specification are given as frequency from 0.5 to 2 gigahertz, phase plus minus 10, accuracy in plus minus 1.0 dB, amplitude ratio, balance, voltage to signal wave ratio, noise figure, input power is 500, and its size. Basic terms connected to antenna array. Insertion phase. It is a phase delay experienced by the RF signal between its input and output ports. Input VSWR, the input voltage standing wave ratio is defined as 1 plus S1 and upon 1 minus S1. Directivity, the ratio of the radiation intensity in a given direction from the antenna to the radiation intensity averaged over all directions. Applications used in a variety of communication and radar systems, microwave instrumentation and measurement systems, in industrial applications. Finally, the conclusion, phased array radars are used for inertialess scanning and tracking. Can be used for multi-target tracking. They can also be used for air traffic controls, the airport. Other than defense applications, phase shifter are finding their place in the routine life. An American company is working on a project where phased arrays are used for finding the blind stops on road while driving. With such high-tech commercial applications, driving on road will be safer. The phase shifter technology for phased array has no limitation either in defense application or in our daily life. Thank you.